There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love, and the place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you
Children are undeniably the most vulnerable segment of the society, and when a kid is diagnosed with cancer, it can be traumatic for the child as well as the parents. But with recent advances in cancer drugs and treatments, 80% of children with cancer now live into adulthood, leading a normal and healthy life.
99 में मैं एज अ पेशेंट यहाँ पे आया था। उस वक्त मैं 11 साल का था और 5 साल मेरा यहाँ पे इलाज चला है और इसके इलाज ख़त्म होने के साथ साथ ही हमने अपनी पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू रखी थी और साथ पढ़ाई के साथ साथ मैंने यहाँ पे अब ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट की अपनी और मैं यहाँ पे ही जॉब भी कर रहा हूँ एज अ मार्केटिंग सपोर्ट ऑफिसर।
Childhood cancers can occur suddenly without early symptoms, and they tend to be different from those affecting adults. But most of them can be treated with surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy.
The most common type of cancer in children is the leukemia, and the acute lymphocytic leukemia is the most common type of cancer in children. We have many things. For example, the Wilms tumor, the disease of the kidneys, the retinoblastoma, the disease of the eye, one call it the neuroblastoma, another type of the cancer.
Doctors say it is important to talk to a child about the disease, as encouragement from the loved ones can be the best way to cure.
The child needs all the support of the family, of the society, and all the people around that child. So the patient and the family, they all need to have a very good social structure. And there are many misconceptions in our society that cancer is contagious, which is not so. So you don't need to isolate the child in a bubble, but it is more advisable if they do their routine activities which they enjoy, because that's what is going to be more effective for their treatment and also for the morale of the patient.
A group of cured cancer patients is doing just that at Lahore's Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital.
मैं भी इसी साथ था, मैं भी मैट्रिक में था जब इधर आया था। अच्छा अब देखो हाँ मैं भी मैट्रिक में था, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। आप यहाँ
Group members now leading normal lives spend time with other patients at the hospital, telling them their own survival stories and giving them a brighter picture for the future.
हम यहाँ पे आके पेशेंट्स के साथ बात करते हैं, उनको एक किस्म की उम्मीद देते हैं, उनके साथ हम खेलते हैं, उनको अपनी बातों में थोड़ा कर लेते हैं कि हाँ यार बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हम भी यहाँ पे पहले पेशेंट थे।
यहाँ जब मैं आती हूँ तो बच्चे बहुत मरीज़ वगैरह होते हैं और मैं सिर्फ ये मेरा फॉलोअप भी होता है और मैं ये बताने आती हूँ कि ये सही हो सकता है और ये इतनी बड़ी कोई डिजीज़ नहीं है।
As many as 6,000 children end up with cancer every year in Pakistan. Unfortunately, almost 50% of them are not properly diagnosed or treated in time due to unawareness and inability to afford treatment. But with many charitable institutes offering specialized treatment facilities to overcome the deadly disease, the dark clouds seem to be subsiding.
heal the world, make it a better place.
With a little financial help and support from the society, they may also be able to find a way into leading a normal life. These children have been fighting with one of the deadliest diseases with only their courage and determination. We can only hope it helps them in finding a better future for themselves. Midhat Zaidi, Express 24/7, Lahore.